Hi, this is Quinlan, and today I'm in Akita. We're still at the end of the Obon season, Japan's answer to the Day of the Dead, and this is one of the final days of Obon, and so there are a number of festivals that send the spirits back to the other world. Okuribon festivals, as they're called. One of the ways that these spirits are sent back to the other world is through what are called Obon dances, or Bon Odori. But not all are created equal. This is the Nishimonai Bon Odori here in Akita, and it's one of the three most famous ones in all of Japan. In this festival, mysterious dancers hiding their faces will celebrate the dead and send them back into the other world after their brief visit to this world during the Obon holiday season. And it's often believed that it may be the spirits of their ancestors, in fact, dancing among them or through them. Of course, there's meanings and symbols in every aspect of what they do in all their clothing. I know some of these, but not all of them. I'm going to keep my mouth shut as much as possible and just try to share the mysterious, maybe even spooky atmosphere of this Obon festival.
大きくて